Do you have any special announcements or anything that you want to get out there to the Grainger sales force as well?
With the new announcement of ACL being part of our Flow Connections group, that is a new product for us and a new company that we're promoting within the organization. So ACL with the hygienic and new pharmaceutical and food and beverage clamp type fitting. So that is one of the new announcements as well.
And let's not forget the glycol-cooled data centers,
Glycol-cooled
cosmetics, biopharma.
Yeah.
Yes. How about the stainless steel fittings?
Yes, stainless steel fittings. You just added a couple more styles for it to the product offering.
So again, we manufacture with modern equipment.
Yes.
We do have CNCs and Akuma, and that's what we use for our stainless steel products. And then lastly, we just seen more product being added as stocked by Grainger, quite a bit more so this year compared to prior years. Mm-hmm. We're grateful for that. Much rather see the product stocked than drop shipped.
Yes.
Well, yeah, that'll help lower the lead times down, getting those essential products to Grainger customers even quicker than they were once before.